This was no easy feat, but when Summer Barger educated herself with BC's consumer protection laws, coupled with her persistency, it paid off.
I've cursed and cried a lot in the last 10 months.
March 9th, 2020, the Cranbrook resident booked a Sunwing flight from Calgary to the Dominican Republic. But COVID-19 hit and Sunwing canceled her flight. Initially, Summer says the airline offered her the option of a refund, but shortly changed its policy, offering only a voucher.
I didn't pay $2,100 for a voucher.
And so her battle began. Summer says she reached out to Sunwing repeatedly, requesting a refund, but got nowhere. She had purchased her vacation with her CIBC Visa card, so Summer pursued an internal chargeback with her credit card.
That went on from March until July, and it failed.
Still, Summer refused to give up. Back in October, she started what's called a statutory chargeback with her credit card issuer, CIBC, to recover her money. At first, she says CIBC declined giving her a statutory chargeback.
So you're just going to go against provincial law then?
It's the federal law supersedes the provincial law.
No, it doesn't.
The federal law supersedes the provincial law.
We asked lawyer Kyla Lee, who's based in Vancouver and not associated with this case, if such a statement exists.
There's no such thing as proper law. That's not a term that we use in Canada.
Summer also filed a dispute with BC's Civil Resolution Tribunal that deals with small claims disputes under $5,000. She says during that process, Sunwing offered her a full settlement, but she rejected the airline's offer.
They emailed me offering a full settlement, but it came with a complete confidentiality clause.
That confidentiality clause would have prevented Summer from sharing her story with the public. So in January, Summer said she made another attempt at CIBC.
And within a week, the director of client care called me and said, we're going to cut to the chase. We're going to reimburse you.
Consumer Matters reached out to CIBC about Summer's case and received the following statement. When an individual buys a product or service and wishes to request a refund, they should first seek a refund from the company where the purchase was made. We review reimbursement requests on a case-by-case basis, take into account individual circumstances. In the case of travel, as part of our review, we consider whether a client has been offered a voucher. The nonprofit advocacy group Air Passenger Rights guided Summer in her fight for a refund and says her story speaks to the state of Canada's consumer protection laws.
It shows how broken consumer protection has become in Canada, especially at the federal level.
While Summer says she's relieved her battle is over, she hopes by sharing her story, it can help other consumers.
You have to be persistent. You have to stay on their radar.
Now, we asked CIBC on what grounds did they refund Summer? Was it based on BC's consumer protection laws? CIBC did not answer our questions. For more information on the statutory chargeback process, you can go to the Air Passenger Rights website at airpassengerrights.ca. And if you have a consumer issue for me, you can email me at consumermatters@globalnews.ca.